Hello, hi, happy people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Krabes Major, and in this video we are going to learn how to take a HTML static website into WordPress dynamic theme. So in this entire video I'm going to show you how we can create a WordPress theme using this template. So I bought this template from ThemeForest and this is how it looks. So this is HTML and CSS JavaScript, so it's not a dynamic website. But I'm going to show you how we can take this website into a WordPress theme. And the reason why we use WordPress theme is because we are building this website for our clients and they would like to change things on their own. They would like to change like the heading, as you can see, and also they would also like to change like the subheading here or the content which is written here. So WordPress is a good solution for us to create this project and give it to our client. And also there's these info cards. Our clients would like to change this and manage the website on their own. So we cannot give them a static HTML, but we can give them a dynamic WordPress website. And with dynamic WordPress website, they'll be able to change every aspect of this website, and that's what we are going to make in this video. So I'm going to show you the final product of our project. So this is how our project will look like. So I've taken this from HTML, as you can see that this lives in my machine. So I've taken it into Xampp, and then this is like a dynamic WordPress website, and we can change almost every aspect of this website. All right, let me show you how it works on the back end. So what we do, we're just going to edit the page, and this is how it looks like at the back end. It's not overwhelming because we have made it so. So the first part is hero slider. So let me view this on another tab. As you can see on the back end here, the first section is hero slider, is this section. So our client can come here and open, and then if they want to change the image, they can change the image. And if they want to change from education maybe to school, they can do that. And if they want to show button, they can show buttons. And if they want to hide, they can hide. And also if they want to change this lorem ipsum, they can change that on the back end. So this is how our website is set up. And if they want to add another slider, they can add another slider. Let us do that. Let's take this picture and then we select that, and then we say new slider. It's a new slider or new slide, and then I'll just copy this, put it here. And then in this case, I'll want to hide the buttons. So these are the buttons. I'll want to hide them. And then we update. So what we did on the back end, we changed education. As you can see here, there's education. We changed it to school. And also we added a third slider. So let's refresh. You can see our changes there, school. The third slider without buttons. Our website works. Alright, so the other section is the info cards. So I call this section info cards. So we can change anything that we want here, from the icon itself and also the heading and the description. We can change, as you can see here, we can make changes. And another thing is that our client, they'll be able to swap these cards. So here the first card was quality education and then followed by expect. So we just swap these two, as you can see as quality aspect. But now if we update this and go here and refresh, there we go. We just swap our cards from here's aspect, teachers and quality education, and we have this part, and that part is controlled by flexible content. So I've named that homepage settings, and there we go. So here's the image. As you can see, you can change the image, remove that, put yours there. I think this is cool. And then the other section, it's followed by the slider, which is this part. And then this is how you control your slider. You can add and remove. So this is how you remove a slider. And this is how you add a new slider. Let me put a picture that was not there. I think this one was not there, I guess. And then I'll say new slider. Where am I writing this? Here, new slide. And then new, let me copy this, put it here. So here you put the link. So I'll just copy this link, put it right there, and then we update. And then if we refresh here, where it's our new slider, there we go. You can see we have the new slider with a new picture. So the picture is bigger than this one, hence the design is like that. I'm going to teach you how to create your own theme. So this is a custom theme that we are going to create. So I'm just going to themes, and then there we go. This is our theme. I'm going to show you how to create your own theme. This theme is not bought. We are going to create it from scratch. So, and we are going to use at least one plugin, which is called ACF Pro. So I need to update my plugin, and I've installed these two plugins, but really I don't need them. So I can remove this one. I only need these two plugins. So ACF Pro and Classic Editor. With Classic Editor, it gives us the power to control the back end of our site, so that when our client log in, they do not get overwhelmed. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your theme, like your starter theme, starting from scratch, and also what tools and files that we are going to use in the entire video. This is going to be an exciting project for us to learn. I promise that you'll learn a lot in this video. You are going to learn the basics. You are going to learn even advanced stuff about WordPress. And if you take the skills that you learn here, you are going to be successful in your web development journey. And in this case, it's going to be WordPress development. I'm going to teach you how to build your own theme and make it easier for clients to manage your website. So your clients will love your website, because they will know that website created by you are easier to manage, and then they can change, swipe things around, which is something great. So the next video will be a setup video. So without any further waste of time, let us get into it.